All right, I'm going to show you how to do the node editing for the 7x9 project. Once you have what you're making all ready to go, like you've cut it out of the laser and you've seen it all works, then you need to break the nodes to make little gaps so the thing doesn't cut all the way through when you laser cut it. So here's a small sample project I made. First trick is if you have a rectangle or a circle that's like an Inkscape rectangle or a circle, you need to select it and choose object to path up under the path menu before you can do what we need to do. And then for something big like a rectangle, lots of rectangles are bigger than this. Let's zoom in. I'm holding the control key down and then using the mouse wheel to zoom in. I'm going to double click to get the nodes. See, I've got nodes showing here. I'm going to then double click again right on the line that adds a node, and I'm going to do break node. See here where it says break path at selected node. And then nearby, not too far away, I'm going to double click to make another node. I'm going to break the node. And then I'm going to click right in between them, and I'm going to delete that little piece. So now see, when the laser cutter runs, it's not going to cut that spot. And that will mean that this piece won't fall out of the cardboard. That's the whole idea of this project, that it doesn't fall out and that later someone else could pop the things out and put it together. So something big like this, we need a little notch on each side. So I'm going to zoom in on this other side and add a node and break it and add a node and break it. And then I click in between and I delete it. So that piece is all set. And then I think we just need one on the tree. I'm going to zoom in right here and double click, make a node, break it, double click, make another node, break it. I might have made them a little too close. And if you did make it too close, you can move these lines, and so if you accidentally made it really big, you probably could just move it to be more appropriate. We need it to be a millimeter or two, but no more than 2 millimeters. I think that would be the maximum. So that's what I'm asking you to do. If you have any text on your thing, you don't have to do it on this because we want that little piece to fall out. If you have any text, make sure the text is black because we're not cutting the text out. Like if you had instructions or things like put this piece there, that sort of thing. That's what I'm talking about when I'm saying you got to break the nodes. All right. Hope that helped. We're going to turn this off somehow.